Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone guys keyboard setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on guys voice tapping on Realme phone. Friends you want to on guys this voice tapping. This voice tapping friends you want to on your Realme phone device. So how to on and use voice tapping on Realme phone. So before starting video, well, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So when first we will on phone setting. To use this voice tapping, click on phone search option. Friends you can see phone setting, keyboard phone setting is tap here. Friends scroll it. Friends you can see language, theme, text correction, glide tapping, voice tapping. So when voice tapping is off, so you will have to on from here. After on guys you can use your voice tapping. Do not disturb. So friends we can find do not disturb setting, and we can use do not disturb setting like that on our Realme phone device. So friends, I hope friends you understood how to use voice tapping. Use voice tapping. So like that friends we can use voice tapping on our Realme phone device. Friends you don't want to use, click here voice tapping. We will off. After off, as we cannot use voice tapping on keyboard Realme phone device. So friends you want to use, so friends again click on setting voice tapping, we will on it. After on friends we can use voice tapping. So like that we can use voice tapping on Realme phone device guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and use voice tapping on Realme phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.